Hello everyone, I hope all of you are having a great day so far. So I haven't done a practice in a while, and today we're going to go ahead and just do a basic yoga practice. Let's start with our feet wide. We're going to go ahead and extend our arms out and just first start with rotating the spine side to side. My fingers are pointing up, and I'm just allowing a free spinal movement, not trying to control how far I go, simply allowing a gentle sway to the spine. And coming back to center, I'm going to turn out one foot, my right foot. I'm going to push out the back heel a little bit. My arms are out, and I'm going to go ahead and exhale down and inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. My gaze follows my hands. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up. I'm going to hold my exhale down. My arm can be up here or here, wherever you need it to be. Keep the breath soft. Go ahead and lower the raised arm and let the back heel shift. Now I have one hand on either side. Go ahead and flex the front knee and inhale. Sweep yourself up, and then exhale. Come down to warrior one. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. And hold yourself right here. Both my legs are pressing into the ground actively as I hold my warrior one. Inhale, take your arms up. Exhale, release them to your lower back. You can just hold on to your wrists or your elbows, or bring your hands to reverse prayer. I'm going to go ahead and exhale, come forward halfway, inhale up. Exhale forward, inhale up. Exhale forward, inhale up. Exhale forward. And you can release your hands to the mat if you want, holding on to the mat to stabilize. I'm releasing myself forward as far as my body goes comfortably. Flex the front knee and bring yourself up gently. Bring yourself forward. Go ahead and reverse direction on your feet. I am pointing my left foot out, and my right heel is shifting out a little bit. Arms out. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. We're going to exhale down and hold. Keep the breath soft. And then exhale, release both hands down. Flex the front knee. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, come down into warrior. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Hold your warrior one. You can keep your arms up here. Keep your breath soft. Send them back up. Lower your hands, gripping either your wrists, your elbows, or putting your hands in reverse prayer. Exhale, come forward and up. Exhale forward and up. Exhale forward and up. Exhale, come forward and hold. You're welcome to release your hands to the mat. Let your front leg fold a little bit and then inhale. Bring yourself back up. Release the hands, feet forward. Give yourself a nice breath. Slowly walk the feet in, turning the toes out. Go ahead and bring your arms back up. Exhale. Come into goddess and hold your goddess here. Press into the ground with both your feet. Press your feet into the ground and hold your pose. Keep the breath soft. You can do breath of fire here. Inhale up, turn the toes in, and then drop the body forward. Keep the breath soft. Then go ahead and walk your hands to one of your feet. And if you walked your hands to the right foot, right arm goes up. Take a look at your right arm. Exhale down. Walk your hands to the other foot. They're at the left foot. Left arm goes up. Exhale down. Come back. Soft knees. Roll up. Bring your feet together. Step it out. Give yourself a nice breath. We're going to go ahead and move into a balance pose. So I'm going to grab with my right hand my right toe and extend the leg out in front of me. I'm going to pull it back in. I'm going to extend the leg out to the side. I'm going to pull it back in, out in front, out to the side, and down. Release. If you're not able to grab your toe, you can grab it with a strap. So just play with it. Stand near a wall, stand near a chair. Have fun with it. Don't take yourself too seriously. Grab your toe, extend out, extend out, extend out, extend out, and come back. Shake it out, step it out, give yourself a nice breath. We're going to go ahead and inhale, arms up, exhale halfway forward, inhale up, exhale half squat. Inhale up, halfway forward, inhale up, 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 half squat. One more, inhale up, and half squat. Hold your half squat over here. Keep your breath soft. And then turn your whole body to the right. Back to center, whole body to the left. Back to center, drop your hands, lift your hips, drop your head. Soft knees, roll yourself back up. Go ahead and just step that out. Give yourself a nice breath. We're going to step out once again. Arms out, fingertips facing up. Go ahead and rotate the spine once more. Come back to center and give yourself a moment. We're going to go ahead and get down onto the mat in down dog. So sweeping your arms up, exhale, come down, step yourself into your down dog, walking the dog at first, and then coming into a still down dog. coming down onto all fours, sitting back on your heels. If you're unable to comfortably sit on your heels, you can roll a mat and place it under your ankles or above your ankles or behind your knees, or all three. Make yourself comfortable, and please don't sit in pain. That does not serve our body at all. So give yourself a moment. We're going to take our hands, clasp them behind us, open up the shoulders, lift the hands, and exhale, release the head down. Inhale, come back up and give yourself a nice breath. So we're going to go ahead and move into Cow Gomukhasan. So pulling the left knee in, the right knee over, I'm going to take my right arm over my left and just go ahead and inhale, extend the arms up, pull them down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Go ahead and take your hands, press into your feet, and then lean forward as far as your body will go for you. Inhale up. We're going to switch sides. Pull the right leg in, left over. By the way, I'm really bad at left and right, so if I say it wrong, just understand that we're reversing everything. So now, my left is over, right is underneath, palms together. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Release your hands to your feet, press into your feet, lift your spine. Exhale, lean as far forward as your body lets you go. Inhale, go ahead and come on back up. Give yourself a nice breath over here. Allow yourself a few moments to simply rest and breathe, noticing your inhale and exhale. Thank you so much. Be well.